Uy. Uy. Uy.
Yun.
Aha, balot nga.
Wow. We have balut here in Canada. Ready to eat balut by Lola
Sabaw,
Carmen. 4-piece
tikman mo
with
sabaw.
vinegar. Let's taste. Sarap! Balut nga! Nice, nice, nice.
Totoo nga,
Yes.
balot.
So we have salt and vinegar.
So,
Yung vinegar included here inside. There you go. Packed na siya. Separately packed.
Oh,
4
you know.
piece with vinegar. Oh, you know. That's the ano.
sisiw.
Ooh, balot sisiw. Okay, check.
What do you want?
Open. Yeah.
Oh, open ko buo.
Yes. How big is the
Maliit
the
lang.
sisiw?
Hindi na nga makita eh. Oh, it's very small.
Oh, there you go. That's the sabaw. Sarap.
Wala.
Yummy.
Ito
Yun,
yung
that's the
bato o the matigas.
that's the ano.
The matigas.
Ano yan? Kidneys?
Oh, yun siya.
Oh no.
Oh, that's the cheek. That's the head.
The
Oh, hindi mo siya
not,
makilala.
not big, but it's
Tsuka.
good size. Okay.
Yung natin to.
That's the
Suka.
vinegar and the salt. Wow, nice one. I want to taste this yellow one. No, this is my favorite, only the yellow. Sarap. Okay, I like it with the salt better. Okay, eat that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, nice. Okay, nice one. Ano? Sarap. Ready to eat balut by Lola Carmen. One more. Okay, one more. Second one. Knock, knock.
Tama.
Na.